So I want to take a minute to talk to you about my knives. Knives are your number one tool. I bought this set of Henckels, oh gosh, close to 40 years ago, and it's just wonderful. It's not a really hard steel. It's a medium hard steel, so it's easily sharpened. And then also this one here. Now this particular one is it's about a 6-inch. And it's good because I have a little tiny hands. So this is perfect for me. So instead of going out and buying a second one, I bought a T-fall. This T-fall is a great little knife. It's about the same size, because I always like to have a clean knife I can reach to. But tell you the truth, the Henckels one for me. You're going to have to find which knife is best for you. So these are all wonderful knives. These are over 40 years old. And this one here, it's over 40 years old too. Got this down in Chinatown years ago. Why it's wonderful is for smashing stuff. Watch this. Put something down there and just go bam, you smash it. It's wonderful. Scoop it all up, chop it, and if you got a piece of steak, flip it over. It's a wonderful tenderizer. So once again, we've got the 40-year-old Henckels. Very happy with that. That's a small one. I've got tiny hands, so it works out wonderful. I've got the T-fall. It's a little bit bigger, and I prefer the smaller one myself and my monster one. So you got to pick the knife that's good for you.